Hey, good afternoon, Mommy Rhea. How are you?
Good.
That's nice to know.
Yes.
And I see toy guns.
Yes.
Another toy guns.
Yes.
2 toy guns. Okay, by Adventure Force. Oh yeah, Adventure Force toy guns. Defender Special Force Roleplay. Okay, it features running lights, sounds, and vibrations. Oh, there's a scope. That's nice. It says, try me. Okay, try it, mommy. Oh, yeah. More, mommy. More, mommy. Awesome. Okay, let's check the back of the box. Thank you. Oops. Thank you. Okay. Yeah, with removable target scope. That's nice. Oh, this is nice, mommy. Golden Eagle Special Force Deluxe Roleplay Set. Oh yeah, 7 pieces. Helmet with night view goggles. 2 play grenades. A vest. Play goggles and the rifle itself. Nice, eh? Okay, the back of the box, mommy. Help me. Thank you. Oh yeah, nice. Oh yeah. There's a vest, mommy, oh.
Cool.
Nice, eh?
Yeah.
Okay, the rifle features lights, sounds, and vibrations. Push button to release magazine. Insert magazine for load sound. That's nice, eh? Okay, press button to light up target sight. Push button to turn on flashlight. Nice. Install goggles onto helmet. Very nice, mommy.
Yeah.
Okay, the front again, mommy. Okay, it says try me. Go, mommy. Pull the trigger. Yeah. Okay, nice. Well, you know what to do, mommy.
Alright.
Unboxing time.
Okay.
Let's start with this one. Go on, mommy. Okay. Don't forget the scope. Do you see something, mommy? Do you see me? That's nice. The scope. Okay, mommy, pick up the gun. Let's try it.
Okay.
What the? That's not how you hold the gun, mommy. The stock on your shoulder.
Like this? Or?
Well, not on your shoulder, but right here.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, mommy.
Like
Okay, good enough. More, mommy. More. Nice, eh? Okay. Okay, mommy, let's unbox the other gun. What?
this? Daddy.
Oh, the scope. Yeah, put it, mommy.
Okay.
Slide it. There you go.
Okay.
Okay, use the scope, mommy. That's not how you use a scope.
Like this?
You're funny, mommy. Okay, whatever. Okay. Okay, the gun is unboxed. But don't forget the accessories. Mommy, look. It says here, secret compartment.
Ooh.
There's a secret compartment. Mommy, open the secret compartment. I want to see. How do you open it? There, mommy. Yeah, secret compartment.
Okay.
Okay, that's nice. That's a nice feature. Okay. Mommy, let's try this one. Can you adjust the stock? Can you adjust this?
No.
You can't?
No.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Okay, mommy, try it. Yeah. Yeah, that's nice. Yeah. Onto your shoulder, mommy. There you go. Now you have a clear target. Okay, mommy, get that helmet. Okay, the helmet is unboxed. Oh, yeah. You see something? Do you see me?
Uh-huh.
Am I color green?
Yeah.
Well, that's a night vision. That's why. Mommy, you see that whiting on the top?
Yeah.
Pull it out.
Okay.
Okay, and then press that button on the top. There you go. Night vision. Yeah. Awesome, right? Night vision. Haha. Okay, the vest. Camouflage.
Yeah.
A camouflage vest. And 2 grenades. Goggles. The helmet. Mommy, put it on the helmet. That night vision. Nope, nope. The other way. There you go. There you go.
Hey.
Mommy, can you put that helmet onto your head?
Uh-huh.
Let's try it.
Oh.
Strap it, mommy. Mommy, strap the helmet on your head, onto your head. There you go. Does it fit?
Wait.
Mommy's ready! Send mommy to combat! She's ready! 2 hands, mommy, 2 hands on the gun! Silly girl! Okay, where is Hulyan, mommy? Go get Hulyan.
Okay.
And also, I'm gonna use
Which one?
that one.
The vest? Oh, the gun.
Fit?
Yeah.
Nice, eh? Night vision goggles.
Here. Yeah.
You wanna wear the vest?
No,
Why?
I'm crazy, Manda.
Easy.
If you're a crazy man, you don't wear that.
Wear the, wear the vest, Hulyan. It looks nice.
It makes it look like you're a crazy man.
I'm not ready.
Mommy's not yet ready. You're cheating.
But
Wear the vest, Hulyan. Right, mommy?
it's not
Yeah.
Look at mommy, oh.
Yes.
Okay, mommy, he's gonna wear the vest.
Okay.
good. You look like you're crazy.
There you go. Looking good, boy.
You look like a dead guy.
Hey, you talk so silly.
Hey!
Ah! Stop shooting at me.
You're crazy.
I'm not part of the game. I'm just the cameraman.
Oh my! What the? Oh my goodness!
Mommy wins.
Super mother.
Grenade! Boom! Grenade! Grenade! Take cover! Take cover!
No rules. I cannot do that.
Mommy, where the helmet, Mommy? You need it. Hide, Mommy, hide. Behind the sofa. Time out. Time out. Time out. Time out. There you go, Mommy. Mommy is well equipped. Okay.
Skills.
Ready, Hulyan? You have the grenades with you, Mommy?
Oh no.
Oh no, where are the grenades? You need those.
Yeah.
You need those grenades. Oh no. Hulyan has the grenades. Ah, boom, boom. Mommy, get the grenades.
Yeah.
Go, go, I see one.
Oh yeah.
Where's the other one? Oh, Hulyan has it. Grenade! It bounced back to you, Hulyan. Boo! Mommy exploded. Oh no! He got you, Grenade! Boom! A big explosion. Hide, Mommy, hide, hide! There you go. Hide behind the wall. Uh-oh, another grenade. Another grenade. Boom. Hulyan, no? Surrender. Grenade. Boom.
Hoy, hoy, hoy,
Okay, Mommy. Kamikaze attack. Kamikaze attack. Kamikaze attack. Kamikaze. Kamikaze. Kamikaze.
I gotta take some help.
Surrender, Hulyan, surrender. Surrender. Surrender, boy.
Hey.
He's gonna wear the helmet for the picture.
Oh my dad and yeah.
What, Hulyan?
I found you can take out the magazine. Look,
How?
like this. You can press this button and this switch at the same time,
Uh-huh.
and then it makes a sound when you put it back in.
Oh. Do it again, do it again.
Okay.
Okay. Put it back. That's nice. Awesome. Pressing this button lights up the target site. See? Nice, eh?